Please subscribe to the channel by clicking subscribe below and hit the like button. I just completed a program by letitgodiet.com of eating clean for 3 weeks. I think the average human lives 4,000 weeks. So this is something that was easy to do, and I feel much better. I feel revived. Welcome back to day 1 of Let It Go Diet, the 21-day planner where all the recipes are already mapped out for you. 18 carrots, apples, lemons, 3 apples. When would you eat all this? And 3 or 4 inches of ginger. This is packed with nutrients. And the reason why you want to juice it, why is juicing super beneficial in revitalizing your own body? When you eat burgers and pizza, foods that are hard to digest, your stomach is working 23 hours out of 24 hours just to digest that food. When you juice it and you get rid of the fiber and you break it down to the micronutrients, it goes into your body and it reverses. Instead of 23 hours to digest food, 1 hour out of the day, you're digesting food. What does that mean? It allows your body to metabolize all the junk that's in your body, to get rid of it, to dispose of it. The fat, your body will use the energy to attack your fat and burn your fat off. So let's get started. We're going to juice now the Zesty Carrot Ginger Juice. I'll read ingredients one more time. There's 18 carrots, 3 long cucumbers, 3 apples, 3 lemons, and 3 inches of ginger. So let's go ahead and start juicing. The cry of a carrot. Again, the fiber is going to collect into this container, and the juice will come out to the container closest to me. This we'll just throw away. If you have a composting bucket outside, you can do that as well. So I'll go ahead and continue the juicing. I would imagine with a slow juicer, this will take about 15 minutes to complete the full juicing. If you have a fast juicer, the process goes a lot faster. However, a slow turning juicer is supposed to really cold press the veggies and fruit to squeeze out the nutrients. It's supposed to be a little bit better, but if you want to save time, get a fast juicer. I'll see you shortly. Alright, I just finished juicing the Zesty Carrot Ginger Juice ingredients. Again, we remove all the fiber away from the fruits and vegetables. We'll pour this in. And just check out the colors of that Zesty Carrot Ginger Juice. Compare it to the beautiful deep purple of the beet juice that we made earlier. Remember, there's ginger in this, and ginger, research has shown that ginger helps reduce pain and swelling for those that have arthritis or muscle pain or a sports-related injury. But overall, ginger, much like turmeric, help with reducing inflammation in the body. So there's some great health benefits to this drink. Well, you know what time it is. It's taste time. So we'll shake it up. This came from the first batch. And again, I prefer my juices ice cold. So they're going to taste wonderful now, but if you, in its preference, you might like it at room temperature. As I've said in earlier videos, my girlfriend enjoys it at room temperature. I like it ice cold. But I'm very excited to taste this. Again, day 1, beet juice, and this Zesty Carrot Ginger Juice, the taste test. What a nice bite. It has a little bit of a peppery, sweet taste. Again, this is day 1. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Click the like button. Thank you for joining in. This is Let It Go Diet. Until next time, Zesty Carrot Ginger Juice.